Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the file system type of a drive on Windows 10. So if you want to alternate between different file types for whatever reason, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So presuming that it's not for your main hard drive, which I don't know why you'd want to change that the drive of Windows is installed on, but it's perhaps some external drive, and you want to change the drive type, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in Disk Management. Best match should come back with Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Go ahead and left click on that. Locate whatever drive you want to change. So in my case, I'm going to change the new volume E drive here. I'm just going to right click on that, and then I'm going to select the format option. Please keep in mind this will wipe whatever's on the drive, so just make sure you have everything backed up somewhere else. And then at this point you can change the name of the volume label and then change the file system type in here. So you can do FAT, FAT32, whatever you want, doesn't really matter, and then just go ahead and select OK. And then, like I was mentioning earlier, formatting this volume will erase all the data on it. Back up any data you want to keep before formatting. Do you want to continue? Select OK. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. It also tells you the file type right next to how large each drive size is allocated in here. So you can see the first two are NTFS file types, and then the third one is a FAT. That's the one that I just created here. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.